prepared free. A little bird once I saw, a little bird come hoop, 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 hoop. So I cried, a little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I went to the window to say how do you do, but it shook, it is little